Top 30.
Ano bawasan mo?
Whole team is banning. The enemy is picking.
Diba mo, nandito may bagong hero?
Ready, go!
Please pick a hero.
Sniper ready.
Give each one all is forlorn.
I'm Yi, and I won't lose myself, no matter what!
Love and hope are the two greatest inventions.
I do what I
Enemy
want
is
to
picking.
do.
Let's make a whole world
Your team is
green and
picking.
Hayabusa, Sanjo.
Bagong... si ano? Tingnan ko yan.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Always keep
Para
your
sa
gun
ano ko?
loaded.
Request backup!
One shot, one kill. Shush. Nice try.
First blood!
One shot, one kill. One shot, one kill. This would help. Not one shot wasted. Enemy in range.
Has been
And you
slain!
are too.
Initiate retreat!
Where did Harley go? Haven't seen him for a while.
An enemy has been slain! An ally has been... Initiate retreat!
Bang. crosshairs lock you down.
Killing spree.
On the forehead.
Down. Double kill. An enemy has been slain.
I am neither the hungry wolf nor the sacrificial lamb. Loyalty is my best spotting scope.
Come on. Is that all you can do, Layla? Run along.
Closer. One shot.
Oh, yun yan! Hindi ako magpapakamatay sa iyo.
Initiate retreat. Target locked.
Bahala ka dyan, Layla.
One shot.
Kalaban mo ang isang sikat na, hindi pala, pasikat na YouTuber pa lang.
Slain.
Bahala ka dyan, Yin. Oh, so good.
One shot.
Team destroyed the turret. Shut down.
One shot. One kill. One shot. One kill. Eye on the target. Nowhere to run.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Sarap nun, Layla.
I admire their courage to take my bullets.
Ako si Tito Jed, trader kong bumaril sa kalaban.
An enemy has been slain.
One shot. One kill. One shot.
An enemy has been slain. Your team
Ako si Tito Jed, ang klase ng MM na trader kong bumaril.
I am
yeah! Mr. B pala, sorry. Tito Jed lang ako pag nag-vlog ako. Oh, talaga lang ha. Hindi mo ako mahuhulihin. Ano ka ba?
eye on the target.
Kaibigan ko si Chooks. Joke. Chooks talaga.
Dead before they knew me.
slain.
Hihintayin mo na kitang lumayo sa base.
Request backup.
Layo-layo mo na.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Okay, very
Triple
good.
kill.
Good dog yun. Good dog. Doon bang aso yung kalaban?
An enemy has been slain.
Dahil patay kayong apat, ako ang
Come a little
magpupush.
closer.
Bahala kayo dyan. Bahala kayo dyan.
One kill.
Walang makapatay sa pinakamagaling na sniper sa buong mundo. 1991 pa lang, sniper. Otek.
My
Kami lang yan, basta masira natin ito.
An
Natori
ally
pa
has
ba?
slain the turtle.
Tatlo pa. Kunti na lang, mabubuksan na yung taas. Kumbaga, grand opening sa negosyo.
Request backup.
The master plan remains
Okay, time
unchanged.
push.
Enemy in range. And you are too.
Hindi na papatay, kundi magpupush tayo hanggang sa masira yung base ng kalaban. It doesn't matter if we win or lose. Basta baog ang kalaban ko.
Not one shot. No one outruns my shot.
Patay ka ngayon, Yin. Patay ka ngayon.
Initiate retreat.
Ay, ay,
Has
ay,
been
ay.
slain.
Loyalty is my
Tito Jed nyo lang ang malakas, hindi, Mr. B nyo lang ang pinakamalakas na sniper sa buong mundo since 1991. 1991 pa lang, malakas na ako sniper. Joke lang, alis na ako. Hindi ako lalaban. Don't worry, I won't bite. Okay, alam nila yung plano natin. Kaya lilipat tayo dito sa baba.
Initiate retreat.
Kung saan wala yung kalaban. Alam niyo yun, kailangan natin magawa yung excellent plan. Distracted ang Yin, kaya ang gagawin natin, magpupush tayo sa baba. Great plan, diba?
Ally has been slain.
Sapat na sa akin yung 2-2-1 na kill.
A
At
new
1
path
assist.
unfolds.
An
paglaro
enemy
niyo
has
yun.
been slain.
Sige, magpatayan kayo dyan. Ako lang bahala dito sa baba. Magpatayan kayo dyan, wala akong pake.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Okay, lipat sa top. Hindi. Mahaba pa yung buhay ng ano.
Where did Harley go? Haven't seen him for a while.
Kung alam ng tamos ang ano ko plano Pero okay lang yan. Oh no, sarap.
One shot, one kill.
Kala mo tamos ha. Yay!
Better gear, better aim.
Hindi ako susuko hanggang hindi ko naabot ang base ng kalaban, guys. Ganyan kalupit si Mr. G.
One kill.
Bago maubos ang ano, ang aking 20 minutes.
Turret is under attack.
One shot, one kill.
Okay lang kahit low kill tayo basta masira natin yung base ng kalaban.
One shot, one kill.
Ayan!
An enemy has been slain.
One shot,
Lalayo muna tayo. Yun yan.
not one shot wasted.
Wahahaha! Sorry about that. Ako yung nagpauso ng tawang yun, hindi yung taga ibang bansa. Alright. Okay lang kung 4 kills lang tayo basta
And
naka-push.
you are too.
Ano? Bye!
Nowhere to run. One shot,
Mega kill.
one kill.
Iyak na yan! Sabi ng ano.
Haven't seen him
Remote
for
na
a
yun.
while. One shot, one kill. Dead before they knew me.
Of course, babakap lang tayo sa kalaban para di tayo mapatay ng yun. Ha 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 ha.
Eye on the target.
Yun. Ang sakit na ng kamay ko. 12 minutes pa lang pala masasakit ang kamay ko. Tito Jed nyo, may never give up battle cry.
Our turret has been destroyed.
One shot, one kill.
An enemy has been slain.
One kill. This would help.
Thank you.
Push na yan! Push na yan! Sarap nun!
One shot, one kill.
Has been slain.
One shot, one kill.
Come on! Hindi pa talaga nabawasan. Hindi ko nga nakuha yung lahi na. Kaya manalo ako.
Victory.
With the lowest kill percentage.
of 4.
Wow, English. Sabay ganun. Siyempre, paano nila ako bibigyan ng like? Ako ang nag-push. Tingnan natin na nandito na yung bagong hero. Aba, ano siya? MM?
Butterfly is born by thy wish.
Me.
Thy lantern's light.
Tingnan natin kung ano niya. Ang laki ng damage, ah. Yun lang. Are you serious? Para sa Odette. Okay, that's fine.